Supreme Court of Nigeria has upheld the verdict of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal affirming election of President Bola Tinubu. The Apex Court panel of justices led by Justice Inyang Okoro also dismissed the appeals by the presidential candidates of the PDP and Labour Party, Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, for lacking in merit. Shafiu Suleiman reports.
Deliberating judgment on the appeals, the Apex Court ruling on the admissibility of fresh evidence brought by Atiku Abubakar against President Bola Tinubu said it cannot admit such findings having failed to go through the lower court and brought outside the conditions stipulated by Section 22 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and therefore dismissed it. The Supreme Court also agreed with lower court's reasoning on the place of electronic transmission of results and status of the Federal Capital Territory over the contentious 25% benchmark, ruling that the decisions of the tribunal that malfunctioning of the IREP does not invalidate the election results, just as the FCT does not enjoy any special privilege from the rest of the country. It then dismissed the appeals after resolving the 7 grounds of appeal against the appellants.
The major thrust of the judgment is the fact that FCT is not to be accorded any special recognition as sought for by the appellants.
That is the interpretation they have given to it, and it is binding on us all. Just one sentence. Nigeria is work in progress.
All destruction is over. It's now about governance. The judgment was sound. We invite all political parties to join hands with Mr. President so that we can move this country forward together.
Now the coast is cleared for the incumbent President Bola Tinubu to steer the ship of Nigeria without any further legal distractions. It is also perhaps the hopes of Nigerians that governance will now take proper shape as all the matters regarding the election of the 25th February have been resolved. From the Supreme Court here in Abuja, Nigeria's capital, Shafiu Suleiman, Trust TV News.
Reacting to the Supreme Court judgment, President Bola Tinubu says his victory has further strengthened his commitment to continue to serve all Nigerians irrespective of political persuasion, tribe and faith. The president, who stated this at the presidential villa in Abuja on Thursday, said that the renewed hope agenda for a greater and more prosperous Nigeria has further gained momentum. Tinubu assured that he will continue to work to build a country that meets the collective yearnings and aspirations of its people.
I've started from day one to work hard, regardless of, the court cases, okay? And just strengthen my resolve to do more. A challenge of this nature and a future of this nature is more work and more hard work, more dedication. It just appeal to the sense of patriotism of Nigeria to have a change of mindset. Let us be positive about our country, be ready to contribute in all ways possible. There's no promise of El Dorado from day one. We're all in this boat of diversity, a member of the same family, living in the same house, but stay in different rooms. And it is important that we recognize that we have no other country but this one.